The Orion wheel bearing press kit simplifies the process of removing and installing wheel bearings, eliminating the need for hammering and ensuring that the front-end alignment remains intact. This versatile kit is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including most front-wheel drive cars and light trucks thanks to its multiple sleeves and bushings. With its precision-threaded sliding screws, the kit allows for smooth and damage-free removal of bearings, preserving the condition of the steering, knuckle, and strut assembly. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel, the tools in this set offer durability and reliable performance, featuring heat-treated and blackened sliding screws for enhanced strength and resistance to corrosion. The 24-piece set is conveniently stored in a blow-molded case, making it easy to organize and transport between your home garage and workshop. Orion Motor Tech has crafted a practical solution for automotive enthusiasts and professionals seeking a dependable, portable, and efficient tool for wheel bearing maintenance.